Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the 2017 Grade 9 Pascal paper. We're up to question number 10, which is the last question in Part A. Let's take a look. Which of the following expressions is equal to an odd integer for every integer n? Okay, so we've got some possibilities here. And this is another one of those questions that they've had in the past, and they will continue to have, where the quickest way to do the question is to understand, in this case, odd integers, but other things like what expressions make small integers, what expressions make even integers, or multiples of 3, things like that. It's just sort of, do I understand basic theory of numbers? Okay, in this case, do I understand how to make odd integers from other numbers? So we got 2017 minus 3n, 2017 plus n, 2017 n, 2017 plus n squared, 2017 plus 2n. So reading through this, I can see the answer is going to be E. And I'll explain it first, and then we'll get into some counterexamples. But if you're just here for the very quick, how do I think about this question sort of explanation, 2017 is odd. Okay, 2n, I don't care what n is, as long as it's an integer, 2n is going to be even. Odd plus even is always going to be odd. Always, no exceptions. Okay. Now, when we're talking about exceptions, if we take a look at this, we might see, 2017. Well, if I plug in some values of n, this will be odd. For example, if I plug in n is 1, it'll be 2017. That's odd. But if I plug in n is 2, suddenly this fails. And so our condition that this works for every n, that it's an odd integer, as soon as I plug in n is 2, suddenly something's gone wrong. And we can find similar numbers for each of these. And we'll just do examples of those. So 2017 minus 3n, 2017, I think it was plus n, 2017 n, 2017 plus n squared, and E, 2017 plus 2n. I think that was it. It was. Okay. So, just plugging in a couple values of n, you can check to see whether or not things are going to be odd. And, we might even make a chart here. What if n is 0? What if n is 1? What if n is 2? And we'll see eventually everything will sort of go away. 2017 minus 3 times 0. Well, yeah, that's odd, so that's still fine. Plus 0. Yeah, that's fine. 0, uh-oh. That's even. So C doesn't make the cut. 2017 plus 0 squared. 2017. 2017 plus 2 times 0. Still 2017. So, just by plugging in n equals 0, A, B, D, and E are what's left. Now, if we plug in 1, 2017 minus 3, 2014. Uh-oh, that's an even number. That's not going to work. 2017 plus 1, that's an even number. That's not going to work. 2017 plus 1 squared, it's 2018 again. That's not going to work. And then 2017 plus 2, that's 2019. 2021, 2023. So this is going to keep going, and E is, in fact, our answer. So either we understand that this is essentially an odd number plus something that must always be even, whereas, say, with minus 3n, that can be odd and even, depending on what n is. So we can either understand the theory here, or we can make a little chart and just see which answers keep going. Okay, and E is going to, in fact, be our answer. So that does it for Part A. We're done with the 5-mark questions. On to the 6-mark questions, and I will see you guys for question number 11 in the next video.